Hello guys, welcome back. Wanna prepare dynamic calendar like this? Let's do this. So first of all, here we will type a formula is equal to sequence, right? Also you can see the entire formula in the display. So here after sequence we will type 6 comma 7, 6 as in row, 7 as in column. Okay, after comma we will enter date value. We will give the reference month and the reference year. All right, brackets close minus weekday. All right, bracket start, then again date value. Okay, so date value will be the combination of month and year, as you can see, right? Then we will do the double bracket close plus 1 bracket close, then enter. As you can see, it's also displaying the dates of previous month, which is of January, few dates of January, the current month and the next month. All right, so what we will do, we will just select the dates, and here in new rule we will select last option, and here we will type equal to month. All right, you can see the entire formula in the display. All right, bracket start B5 bracket close, then these signs. Okay, then again month. Okay, bracket start, we will give the references month and year, right, as you can see. And then we will go to format. Here in color we will select this color, press OK and OK, and now you can see the dates of previous months and next months are gone. All right, so from the drop down we will select the year. As per the year, whatever year we will select, the dates will appear. Okay, any random year we can select in the drop down. Accordingly the dates will be displayed. Here we can change the months as well. All right,